Hi guys, welcome back. I just wanted to jump on here real quick and show you what I've been working on tonight. I've been processing inventory. This is just some of it, but this is what I had on my desk, so that's what I figured I would show you guys. This is mainly for my buddy Chelle over at the Ramblin Crafter, because she loves to show me her beads and how unorganized those things are, and oh my god, and she swears they're organized. Ugh, I can't handle it. So let me just show you real quick. I do have a video for you guys for in the morning, a Photoshop design with me. I will finish editing it tonight and get it uploaded in the morning. I just, as you can see, there's my little note from Erin on the AJ kit. I will always keep it there. So this is how I organize like my small items that's in my Etsy store. And so even though I am a small business, I operate as though I'm a large business, because if y'all haven't figured this out about me by now, I am very OCD. I love to have things in order. I love to have things, I don't know, everything has a place. I love lists. I love charts. Yeah, so all of my inventory is all given a SKU number, and I create my own SKU numbers, and so each they're anywhere from 8 to 9 digits. So I always do, like, this is 15 washi, and then this is Chinese rose. And so whenever I get an order from Etsy, I don't even have to really look. I just look and see what the SKU number is on the order, and that's how I pull it. So, and then how I organize it is I organize it by the first part of the SKU number first, then the last 3, and then the middle 3 is how I, break it down a little further. So as you can see, these are the 15-piece washi stickers, the Chinese rose. This is cotton and reed. Then it goes back. This is the greenery. So you can see how easy it is. Pink. This is just so much easier. Purple. White. Yellow. And then we go to the golden, or the gold stamps that have like gold accents. So this is the 20-piece gold accented, and this is the one that's considered letters. Then we have the stamps, and then we go over here. This is the 23-piece stamps that are stickers, and so this one is buildings. And then we go on back, and then we have flowers, and then we have botanicals, and then we have the second set of buildings, and then we have butterflies. Yeah, so I mean, I have everything, and I just, I have to have stuff done like this so that I can stay organized. This is the butterflies transparent blue. This is the butterflies transparent blue pink. This is the multicolored butterflies, the purple ones, so it's so much easier on me to be able to pull orders like this. And then I do have the stuff that is in the, that would not fit in the smaller zip box. And so they're done the same exact way. They just have their own little containers. And so this is the, this is 20 washi leaves, and I'm out of my SKU labels right now. They'll be in Friday. But I had to go ahead and just write on it because I needed to get them separated and organized. So this is the 20 washi tropical. And then we go on back, and this is the 20 washi Victorian. This is the 20 washi vintage Victorian. So you can see that I just kind of have, this is the 30 washi foliage. And then we have the 20 washi botanicals, which these are a little out of whack, but it's because I just finished doing these earlier. So this is the 30 washi flowers. This is old things. This is the 30-piece washi Victorian. And this is the 30-piece washi. It's got the clocks of the sayings. So anyway, that was just a quick video. Wanted to show you guys just some of my organization for my inventory. I have a lot more inventory, and I may go over that. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see how I organize my inventory. I have things broken down into little totes, like this tote. That's kind of how some of the stuff is, but this is this one is stuff that needs to be organized, or you know, I kind of just put it in here to get it off of my desk right now. But like this needs to be broken down. This means these need to have a SKU number assigned to them, and then put in inventory. But I don't want them just like hanging around because they get lost. So I do use those little containers. And so then I also have like back here, this is all my set of all of this, because I keep one set of everything for myself, because sometimes when I am doing an order, I will notice like one of the stickers may have a crease in it or a fold in it, and I don't want to send that out to you guys, so I will replace it with one the exact same thing, but the one that's in my my stock, my inventory. And so that's what I do. And these, I don't know, you guys need to go check these out over on my store. I love these. Oh my goodness, these are just amazing. And so I think there's like 5 or 6 different kinds, and so they're all numbered. And so like the top one is vellum, and then the one underneath it is like a textured paper. And so each one of them is like different, but how cool is that? I love that. I'm just trying to see some of the other stuff. I don't know if I put these in my shop yet or not, but check that out. I guess that was supposed to be have a nice day. I love it, but let me show you one other thing that is in the shop. I didn't have this out, and hopefully I can do this one-handed, because I decided that I didn't need to put my camera on the toes. Okay, so these are like stickers. And look at the bag that these come in. First off, okay, they got me with the packaging. Love it. Yeah, so I love that. And then on the inside, it's these little stickers. How cool. And they're stickers. And I think right now, I think I have like, I don't know, 3, maybe 4 different kinds. Yeah. And then I did have a couple of people go ahead, but I do have a lot of these in stock right now. And I need to actually pull another set of each for myself on these little spring postmen. These are like, there's several different colors, maybe 8 different colors. And they're like little stamps, and they come in this cute little vellum envelope. And then, you know, for each color, they're like themed, and they're just so adorable. And I think they come in packs of 50. So, I mean, they're really a good deal. A really, really good deal. And then there was something else that I had got. I'm sorry, I'm just pushing y'all down all into the stuff. So this is the other thing. I don't know if you guys have had a chance to look at these yet. These just came in. These are a 30-piece set. And I have not pulled myself one of these yet, and I need to go ahead and do that. But I believe they're all different sizes. So it's like 30 completely different ones. And they're the transparent stickers. So yeah, you definitely want to check those out. Okay, so I'll let you know about these. I'll let you know about Star I'll let you know about the butterflies. I'm just trying to see. Oh, I have not put, I do need to put these in my shop. I had no idea that these were as big as they are. They are, like this one, it says search address journal. I have not opened this one. I did open one of the other ones. Probably put up. But it's very cute. It comes tied with the little one. I'm so sorry, guys. I really should have put this on my stand. Okay, and I can't even figure this out. Hold on the camera. Okay, let's see if we can get into it. And so it comes with, the cover is not, it's not attached. And so it comes with these sheets, and I don't know how many it is. Let's see if I can do this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like 10 sheets in each one, with that the cover and the backs. Yeah, so I don't think these were much at all. I think that's why I thought they were so small, because of the price point that they were. So, yeah, so definitely make sure that you go check these out. These are some new items that are in my shop, as well as, you know, some of the stuff that you've already seen in there. I have a lot. I think I may have 8 different ones of these. There is one other one. I'm sorry, guys. There is one other one that I want to show you that I have not put up and processed yet. When you order these, look how cute these are. And they come, it's a tag, and they even include the ribbon. How cool is that? Yep. And I think there's 8 different styles of those. So anyway, make sure you go check out my shop, and you know, I just wanted to mainly get on here and show Chelle what organization looks like, and then I get on here and I act really unorganized by not having all of my stuff right ready to show you guys, because I really wasn't planning on showing you guys. Then it just got to thinking about it, and it was just too cool. So yep, go check it out, guys. See you in the morning. Bye.